Okay, we got something pretty cool going on at the entrance of the kitchen. We have old barn beams. What we're doing is casing the opening in this barn beam. You can hear the sawzall going back there. We're cutting it up, but it's gonna be really cool. Can't wait for the finished product. Let's go.
Big boys. Big boys.
And I'm going, oh, well, you're backwards, huh? Oh my God.
Good.
I'm trying. Oh, okay, I got it. Okay, I got it. Come on there, big boy.
Can we go that way for a second?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Oh!
All right. Okay. All right. I need to go over more.
I'm hitting that rock.
I told you it was a rock.
Yeah, you were so adamant about it.
Yeah.
Okay, take it down. I'm hitting that rock. I told you it was a rock. Yeah, you were so adamant about it.
Yeah.
Okay, take it down.
Round two, baby. All right. One.
Turn it.
Yep. 2, 3. There we go.
Alright, now let's turn it.
Okay. All right. This is my bitch right here. Hiya, ha!
Alright, now
I gotta go this way.
fast. It's been easy here.
Oh my God. Oh my God, bro. Okay. Oh my God, right next to Greg's hand.
I know. Hey Lee, I'm gonna need another 2x6.
I'm gonna come back here so we can get that other beam.
Yeah, go ahead.
You can cut some of it off, Dusty. If you have to, because I had it measured from on the other side of him.
Let's go. All right, here, I can step down.
Yeah, right there, Lee.
Let me put a screw in here
That's good, bud.
and there.
Just put it on the screw.
Oh my
Put
God.
it down angry.
I'll help you out there, Dusty.
Got it?
Thank you, buddy. Look there. Ah! Your face, Greg.
Give me your war cry!
Man, that looks so nice, don't it?
It looks really good.
Hey, can we move this away from here? I don't know if one's gonna do it, bud.
One will do it.
Come on.
It ain't gonna come up that much.
Was your thing tight?
Yeah, I'm good, man.
Greg, calm down.
Oh, yeah. Come on. Come on, Big Daddy. Picking the whole fucking house up.
Now the whole that thing's balling. I'm sitting with the bitch now.
You gonna hold that? Oh my God. Oh, there we go.
Bottom.
You should. Oh my. Well, we were good.
Keep going.
Keep going.
Come on. It's got like 2 inches.
Keep going. Right there. You're on the drywall now.
Are you up top touching? Go ahead and take that jack off.
All right.
We can adjust it maybe a little more.
There we go.
All right, now.
Okay. That looks awesome. That looks awesome.
Or if I should try to get that other one in there on that fucking beam first. We can take that out. Yeah, let's do that.
You want to do this one first under the beam?
This
Okay.
under it, and then we can take this out, and then I can push, like we can knock the beam.
We can move it over when we push it. Okay.
From here down,
Yeah,
4 or 5 in this knot here and here. It's beautiful, man.
it really is nice.
83 7/8.
So he's gonna finish his drywall up to this.
Oh yeah, you got plenty of room. Plenty of room, bud.
Get it, Craig!
Get it, Craig! Old Debo.
I don't know, but I've been told. This one didn't matter.
Well, what I'm trying to do is get as many of these in there as I can, but I kind of want to center them.
Yeah.
So, like, kind of make like a center mark here, and
Cut off the ends, make a center mark. Is there a tape, bud?
Yeah. So you want to center them off first.
Yeah.
I got from here 117.
117, which is
58 and a half.
58 and a half. Give me a red. Give me a red marker.
58 and a half is right.
7/8. Right there.
Let me just one time. I'll show a real big face. It's all one. It's all one.
Okay.
Thanks, Craig. Oh, I got the bitch.
A little block up there and just tap it. Don't fucking swing it some fucking psychopath.
Watch out. Plum, baby, plum. Sways in now. Oh yeah, it's a beautiful thing. Okay, so far we have one leg. We do have the header going across. We put the support post in so we could move that ugly 2x10 in there. Now we're putting the other leg in, which is all decorative except for that support post. Okay, got out to get the third beam, no, the fourth beam. There she be. Greggy,
Let's
Greggy. I forget what it's called. It's the thing that they has the two handles and they shave. Do you know what I'm talking about? Not a planer.
You're talking about, I just can't think of
Well, if anybody knows the name,
it.
shoot it in the comments. Denton,
Super fucked up. Alright, Greg.
let's get her done. Top.
Oh yeah.
That's going in there nice. Bottom. All right, that's all the further you can go over here because of this post. The top to come in like 2 inches. Keep coming. One more. Done. Okay, let me see that real quick. We banged off her just a little bit here. We gotta.
It looks like this whole thing needs to go that way.
Oh,
Oh!
hit it like right here, gently. Come on, come on. That's it.
That is so fucking cool, man.
It don't mind.
These can come out now.
Let's hang this before we go. We could probably hang the ceiling. Come on here, take this there, bud. Okay,
Looks like the old flower shop in Somerset.
there it is.
I love it, Greg.
It's a little dark, but as you see, we got the beam up. I'm going to turn you around and show you what this looks like. Reclaimed. This, as you see, it has the old tendons in it, mortise and tendon joints. It's pretty cool, and it kind of goes with what we got going on in the ceiling here with these barn beams here. Those are real as well, and they were pretty heavy getting up there too. Appreciate everybody sticking around. Let me know what you think of these old barn beams and kind of like how we transformed the kitchen. But in the meantime, I'll catch you on the next one.